Hello everyone. Let's see construction of tangents. Now in this construction of tangents there are three cases. If the point is on the circle, this is a circle with some radius and there is one point P which is on the circle. Now in such case tangent will be like this. This will be radius. This is radius of the circle and tangent will perpendicular to radius. Like this. Second case, if point is outside the circle, then if take any point P which is outside the circle, that means two tangents can be drawn to a circle from this point like this. Third case, without using center of the circle, diagram will be like this. This is point P and this angle is congruent to this one. These angles are called as angles in alternate segment. Now let's see one by one practice set 4.2. On page number 98. First example, rough diagram is essential here. रफ डायग्राम वर मार्क्स असतात. व्हॉट इज गिवन, कंस्ट्रक्ट अ टँजंट. आता बघा इथे एक्झाम्पल कसं आहे. कंस्ट्रक्ट अ टँजंट टू अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर P and radius 3.2 cm at any point M on it. अशा पद्धतीचा एक्झाम्पल आहे. टँजंट रफ डायग्राम काढायची आहे, त्याच्यामुळे ती सरळ आपण this is circle, radius with center P, this is point P, radius 3.2 centimeter and at any point M on it, that means this may be point M and this is the double रेषा झाली तिथे. Tangent. Now this one is the rough diagram. Let's draw one by one construction. Let's do here construction. 3.2 centimeter radius घ्यायची आहे तुम्हाला इथे. Draw one circle. With center P. This is a center point. Increase this radius. Take any point. First of all, take any point M on the circle. This radius is 3.2. चेक करून घ्या 3.2 आहे की नाही. 3.2 आहे. After that, take any point M and draw a ray passing through point M and center of the circle. Now let's draw here tangent passing through point M, that means tangent to the circle at point M. Make an arc here on both the side. Like this. More than distance take this distance more than half. Make arc on the upper side and below side same distance. By using same distance, make arc upper side and below side of that ray and join this point M and two intersecting arcs. अतिशय सोपी अशी ही डायग्राम आहे. 2 मार्काचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन इथे विचारायला येतं. This is tangent is always perpendicular to the radius and therefore I have shown here radius 3.2 centimeter. I have shown here perpendicular sign. After that second one. त्यातला सेकंड जे आहे सेम याच पद्धतीने तुम्हाला सोडवायचं आहे. त्यात मी घेते आता फोर्थ मध्ये काय आहे ते बघून घेऊ आपण. पहिल्यांदा ड्रॉ अ सर्कल विथ रेडियस. मी इथे साइड बाय साइड रफ डायग्राम